Communication and culture. 1. Listen to an introduction to a charitable organization. Complete the table.
East Meets West was started by humanitarian Lee Hayslip in 1988. Her initial aim was to help heal the wounds of war between the United States and Vietnam. Since its foundation, East Meets West has become a non-governmental organization with large-scale projects in Southeast Asia and South Asia. Its programs are mainly in the fields of healthcare, education, clean water and good hygiene, and aim at helping people in Asia have better lives. In Vietnam, East Meets West has launched the Inspire Sports program in Quang Tri province to provide disabled people with opportunities to take part in sports with professional coaches and healthcare workers. East Meets West is also working with Vietnam Television on an international campaign called Life is Beautiful to raise awareness about the issues that disabled people are facing in the country, to raise funds to support them, and to create a more positive attitude towards them. East Meets West's programs send the message that people with disabilities, despite their limitations, can overcome difficulties to achieve success in life.